Hi everyone, good morning and Merry Christmas to you all. I don't know why I just love Christmas. I just don't know why. I love the Christmas season. So today is 25th of December and I'm so happy. Today, well, I'll be going to Kivus. Is it Kivustu? Kivistu. All this name in Finland. Kivistu. I'll be going to see my friend and spend time with my godson. So I'll be preparing jollof rice, fried rice. I prepared soup very late last night and bread. I did banana bread and the regular bread. So come with me while I spend my 25th. Show you how I'll be spending my 25th. And also before I'll be leaving, I'll be doing some cleanup. My house is a mess. My room is a mess. Let me show you guys. So this is how my room looks like. So I need to fix it before leaving because I'm going to spend like 2 days. And this here are some of the gifts I have I bought for my godson. So I'll be going to see them. So I have to fix this room before leaving. Everywhere is just scattered. And guys, while I was cooking last night, imagine what happened. This thing almost injured me. This cupboard just fell one side and it almost injured me. And I was standing here cutting vegetables and it almost injured me. Can you imagine? I just pulled the other one and kept it here. Just imagine if this thing just hit me on my face while I was cutting that vegetable last night. Wanted to give big wound for 25th, God forbid. So let's start cooking, and I might not show you everything because cooking and vlogging at the same time takes a lot of time, and my train is for 12:07, so I will just show you maybe when I'm done cooking and everything. So I have my marinated chicken here and I will just start cooking immediately. So I'm done cooking. This is a soup. I cooked this very late in the night and I had to froze it. I didn't froze it or freeze it. Anyway, I had to put it in the freezer so that it doesn't spill. Then this is banana bread, our regular bread. Then this is the rice. A friend of mine is also coming and he'll be going with this one. And this is the pepper, chicken and fish and the fried rice. I wonder how I'm going to carry all these things. But anyway, let me go packing. So this is me. I finished cooking before 10:30. So I still have like an hour plus to get ready. Let me get ready, clean my room, clear my house and get prepared. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I'm done cooking and everything. So my bags are here. And my train leaves in the next 40 minutes. So from here to the train station is like around 10 to 15 minutes. So let me just show you my bags. It's down here. You can see it down there. So I'll just chill for I'll just wait for like 10 more minutes before I start leaving. No, 11:40, let me start going. See you. Before I miss my train. So I just got to the station and I am so lucky because in the next 3 minutes the train will be coming. Abroad motor no dey wait for person. Transportation in abroad, you have to calculate it. And if I eventually miss this train, that means the next one will be coming in the next 2 hours. That is how my city is. Oh my God. So I'm happy I did not miss it. And I'm here. I just did little makeup. Not too much. See you guys later. So this is like my third stop. First one from my city to Carrier, from Carrier to Pasila. Now in Pasila I've entered another train going to Kivustu. So and one thing I love about their transportation is you can never get lost unless it's you that want to lose. You can never get lost in each of their train. From the app where you buy your ticket, you will see all the route, the track number which you're supposed to, as in terms of to transfer entering another train. You will see the track number and you will see how many minutes you have, and they always give enough minutes to move, so it's always easy. Like where I'm sitting right now, there's a screen showing each of the bus stop. Let me show you. So that's it. It shows each of the stops. So if you pay attention very well, you will know your stop. And not just only that. And not just only that. Even on the app, it shows you and the time. So even if you don't even know the name of like all the names, but you know where you're going to from the app, you can check the time, exactly that time. Most times they always have some delay, 1 or 2 minutes delay. So that's why it's always good to check the screen and check the app. And they also announce whenever they are approaching the next stop. So in the next few minutes I'll arrive at my friend's place. All right, see you guys. This is how I am spending my Christmas on the road. See, look at the time, 2:10. The day is gone already. She's not around. They went to the laundry, so I have to wait. It's downstairs. Wow. I don't hear the hear. Hey! Hey! See my food! Hey! I need to wash my hand first so before I touch them. See my food! Hey! Let's go inside. Hold on, let me wash my hands first. First things first. First things first. My godson, you remember this voice? This voice? You remember this voice, right? This voice. Hello, baby. Hello, Mona. Hi, guys. See my godson. You all should meet my godson, Mona. Hello, baby. Hello. You remember this voice?
I don't hear this voice before.
You remember this voice? I'm here. Hey, Mona boy. You're welcome to the
Say
world.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to you. Why your mommy know where you read Christmas for first Christmas
I know
day?
that. I said only me no snap that picture. I they pay me for life since today.
But why you not prepare Kwanu now?
Which one be prepare?
I have just to go buy red clothes.
I know why not.
Anyway, Muna, you're welcome, darling.
Bye.
You will be a blessing to this world,
Amen.
to your family, your mommy, your daddy, everyone that come across you. You will be a blessing to them. In Jesus' name, you will grow in God's blessings,
Amen.
God's wisdom,
Amen.
knowledge, understanding.
Amen.
You will be a pace setter in everything you are doing among your peers. Anywhere you go, you will always stand out
Amen.
among everyone in Jesus' name. I love you, Bobo.
Boy, not they even cry again, no. You don't hear voice where you know.
I love you.
You don't hear voice where you know.
Please, guys, let me enjoy my godmother. What things? See you guys later. My boy said he wants me to do my first godmother work
You
by
don't even
feeding.
sit down.
Hey, Bobo. Bobo.
See the way we just dey look.
I say, I just don't fuck up.
What
Hello.
are you?
We don't they carry you, they practice the ones we see online. See my fine boy. Can you guys see my fine boy? Look at it. Look at the camera. Camera boy. Cherry, thank God. I better go bring out those food though. Food baku for there.
Why my this can't go on?
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Muna, godmother is about leaving now. Holiday is over. My boy. I had such a great and wonderful time with you. See, this is why they smile. If I say this. Hi everyone, this is my baby and it's time to say goodbye. Holiday is over. Let me go back to my city.
Just go God dad.
Bye boo. Bye boo. Say hello. Hello. Hello, godmother. Hello. My boo-boo. My boo-boo. You want to call boo-boo? See, your mouth is moving. My boo-boo. I also see enter. My boo-boo.